Vegeta? With that stamp on your head, I know Bobity's been giving you orders. Is this one of them? Are you trying to fight me because of him? Or is this the same old story between you and me? Which one? Does it really matter?
Not to you, Gohan, but to a warrior it matters greatly. And you know this is what his eye together. In a day you'll be back to the dead, and I will not miss this opportunity.